Come here, guys. Say cheese. Look, say cheese.
Cheese.
Here, say Roseburg snow. Whoa, that was all snow. Come on. Here. Okay, snowball fight. Snowball fight. You ready? Go. Ah, you got me. Come on, right here. Let's go get me. Come on, baby. Yay, we got snow in Roseburg. Oh, he got my face. He got me. You won. He got me. You're not supposed to my face. You still won. Huh? It's cold. I warned you. I warned you, bud, that your hands are going to get cold fast. You didn't believe me.
Don't leave.
I'm not leaving. Why did I leave you? But we gotta turn a little bit. Make sure we're in the frame. What are you doing, Boo? This guy says, I don't know what to think of this stuff, huh?
I got you.
Oh, you got me good, dude. You got me so good. You surpassed your baby brother. Got me right in the face. Wow. That was good. Are you cold? You want to go home? You want to go home? You want to go home? Play, baby, play.
Snowball fight. Snowball fight.
Go. Snowball fight. And immenses. You okay? It's cold. Oh, we're not in the camera anymore. Go this way. Go this way so they can see us. This way. This is where we have our snowball fight at. Mint, you stay here now. Your hand's freezing. You want to go home or you want to play a little more? Yeah. We don't have gloves, that's why. Mint! No! A minty wait! Why does he do... No! Come on, that's too far. Come on. Making me nervous. You okay, baby shark? Baby shark, do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do, baby shark. Grandpa shark, do-do-do. Don't hit my head.
Oh, sorry.
Baby snowman. Baby snowman. That was a triple snowball.
Corn! It's green!
Minty, come here.
Look! A corn is green!
Yeah, it's blue. Come on.
Happy, it's green! Oh, my!
My hands are getting too cold, guys. Here's what you do a camera effect like this.
Are we going to go now?
Not yet. Here, watch this. Special effects. Let's see if I can do it. What are we doing, guys? Tim, it's too cold. My hands are turning red because they're too cold. So I think it's about time to go. Yeah, you're getting there.
Let's play more.
Go ahead. I can't. My hands are too cold. I can't. It hurts now. I told you. See, look. When they start to turn red, it's too cold.
Come on.
Yep, they're getting there like mine. They kind of hurt, huh, a little bit. I told you. I told you. Got it? You want me to carry you? shark? I peed fire. He thought he could get us. The boy thought he would get us. He lost. He stopped running.
I can take it.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go in the car with you. It's getting cold.
It's too fun.
It's so much fun. That's so much snow. Minty! No! That's Karma.
Oh, yeah.
Karma! Whoa, he fell. You're good. Oh man, that's the fun of the snow right there, is falling. What? Let's do it. Go in the car. Minty, no! Come here. What do you say we get in the car?
My hands are cold. They're cold.
Huh? You wanna go home? Minty, come on now. Let's go, we're going home.
I want to. My hands are cold.
I told you. Remember? I said we play for a few minutes and your hands are gonna get really cold. You're gonna be wet. We have to go home and have some hot chocolate. Uh-oh.
Oh.
What?
I get it.
Your hands hurt? Let's go home.
Yeah.